Good morning, students. I'm S. Vijayalakshmi from Department of Commerce, going to introduce to you a bridge course for commerce. You should understand the meaning of commerce. Commerce as a stream of education can be defined as a study of trade and business activities, such as the exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer. The main subjects that are taught in the commerce stream in class 11 and 12 include economics, accountancy, and business studies. In class 11, what are the subjects you're going to study in commerce group? You're going to study Tamil, English, commerce, accountancy, economics, and business maths and computer application. Why do we study commerce? Business studies is an important subject for commerce students. Here are some of the reasons why one should study business studies. Studying business allows a student to understand how business activities influence the society and the economy directly and indirectly. Is commerce good for future? Yes, because there is a plethora of short duration professional courses for commerce students in the field of accounting tally, computer accounting, share market, financial accounting, marketing, etc. So commerce is a very good stream for future prospects. The importance of commerce. What are the advantages of taking commerce in 11th? Opting commerce opens a way for becoming CA, CS, CWA or going for any MBA, the recognition of which in turn depends on the institute. On the other hand, taking up science is not limited to core science professions like doctor, engineer, etc. Personally, we have seen science students going in for CACS, etc. The importance of commerce education are it satisfies increasing human wants and to increase our standard of living. It links producer and consumer, generates employment opportunities, increases national income and wealth. So, commerce provides you quality, trust, and integrity. So, be proud to be a commerce student. The subject commerce deals with trade and types of trade. Trade simply means buying and selling of goods. Commerce deals with the types of trade. The trade further classified into home trade and foreign trade. Home trade is further classified into wholesale trade, retail trade. Foreign trade is classified into import trade, export trade, and entry port trade. What do you mean by international trade? Trade between countries is known as international trade. Domestic trade. Domestic trade means trade takes place within the boundaries of a nation is known as domestic trade. And the subject commerce explains you the types of transport which helps in trading the commodity one place to another place. There are three kinds of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Trade by ship plays a important role in international trade. Commerce explains the banking system and how the banking system operates, and it compares the various activities of different types of bank. And commerce explains about insurance. Insurance is a means of providing monetary coverage against loss caused by natural or man-made factors. And it explains about the types of insurance. Insurance is classified into home insurance, travel insurance, car insurance, health insurance, and life insurance. And commerce also provide information about stock exchange. Stock exchange means it is a place where shares in the companies are bought and sold. And trends in stock exchange helps us to understand the uh, activities in share market. I I hope that you all understand about the subject commerce and what it deals with. Thank you, students.